Happy Sam Show. Hey, Gabby Sam, and today I'm going to be making galaxy slime.
Okay, and so the things you're gonna need is
clear glue. You're going to be needing clear glue, and you're going to put water in the clear glue, which you don't have here since we've already did, and we've already done that.
And you need some glitter,
which
we got here. It's just
and then your activator is going to be tied. This tied stuff, the jigger.
Yeah. Okay. So let's
we have two spoons because we both wanted to stir.
We argued about stirring. I mean, it's so stupid, right?
And now,
but wait, let me zoom in so they can see what we want to do. Okay. So then we're gonna add some of these.
The jiggers.
Well, they're kind of pokey. Well, not that much. If you guys want this slime, comment down below. We're gonna give it to you. That's like a lot already. Okay.
I feel like we need more.
I don't think, because it's like enough. It kind of. Okay. Come on, focus for us. Why are you not focusing? Sorry. Okay, there we go.
It's focused.
Now, after we're done with mixing all that together, you're going to need some activators, which is my favorite part.
And it's much more lighter on camera. It's actually not the light. It's actually pretty dark. But
yeah. Did I add anything? I don't know. Oh, that's glug. You want to eyeball this. You don't want to add too much at a time.
See, as you can see, it is turning into
slime. So you want to keep mixing. And you may think, oh no, just only clumps are coming up. You have to keep mixing.
See, but it is working because you can see the clumps.
And then you have to wait 2 days for this. If you add water, you have to wait 1 day for this to clear up. So I'd rather you add water. Just add a little bit so it doesn't become a full-blown jiggly slime. You don't want a full-blown jiggly slime. You want some galaxy-ness. Oh, snap.
At least it's washable because it's literally.
Wait, let me see. This is actually meant for slime. So we're just gonna mix. Keep mixing. This is okay. I'm just gonna go YOLO.
Are you supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Wait, let me just have a little so I can. I just need this.
Ooh, juice.
Okay,
so I'm just gonna.
Very jelly, guys.
You should like this. Okay. So when we sell it to you, it's definitely not going to be like this.
It's going to be better because we're going to need it and work on it, and it will be better.
And this is.
And if you guys don't want it, then just comment down below.
Just comment down below. And comment down below what you got for Valentine's Day and Happy Valentine's Day.
Like, what's your favorite type of
candy?
Like,
all this stuff I got was from Valentine's Day. I got all the stuff from my mom, my dad. Just
from Valentine's Day.
But great. Because last year I barely got anything. I got some chocolates and that's it. But this time I'm like, Mom, give me more stuff. I was going to ask for slime containers that the real legit Slimers have. But they were all sold out, sadly.
Like always.
I want one.
Yeah, you guys have to knead this because as you can see, whenever we are kneading it,
see, it's not getting that. It's not that bad.
It's turning kind of jelly whenever you knead it, so that's good.
Okay, so I'm going to dip mine back in glue because it's a little too overactivated because all the glue's not inside of it. So that's bad. Okay, let's just take these out. Our mixing utensils. Where should we put these?
Oh, put them on the side.
Okay, so I'm just going to knead
and
it
you guys watch the Slime Tour. I know it's really short, but just so you guys know where the stuff is on my Slime.
Aubrey, that didn't get posted on my phone, so we have to do it another again.
But whenever we post it,
you better watch it because that's where our Slime Tour looks like. And we may do a Slime Tour at my Slime Tour.
But whenever he gets his iPad back. Oh, and you guys do not unsubscribe from his channel because his.
Subscribe to my channel, actually. Subscribe to this channel. It's amazing. I'm glad I'm with her today.
Because we've already done one video, and we may do a third video, because I do have a third video planned, but it might be really short.
Yeah. What was that third video?
What was that?
Does they like eating the chocolate? Okay, so we're just gonna keep kneading. I may need
Sorry,
a
that was a
little
little sign thing because we were
figuring out what we're
thinking.
gonna do. We're ordering these chocolates online. Well, we're actually going there. We're going to I don't know,
Spain.
Spain to grab these chocolates to show you guys.
Ooh, we're not just it's going for.
We're not just going for chocolates. We're going there to hang out and all that.
Yeah,
So-
and he's coming with me like always. We always go on trips for some reason, and we're definitely gonna pick out something, for you, which we've actually already gone.
But we're just gonna go.
We
here.
didn't vlog it because
We didn't bring our camera.
yeah, we didn't bring the camera. For some reason.
Sorry.
Dean, it's not working.
It is. I just need more activator.
Can I give you some?
Yes, you can. Lord, please.
Do you need more?
I can't. Not a lot. A little. Okay, that's it. Okay, there. Finally, it's clumping. You guys are just annoyed seeing me.
This is mine right now. It's very jelly-like.
She has a very small mouth. And this is a video making slime for our friends. But yeah. It's turning out
and
good.
this is what it's supposed to be like at the end. It's in this little bag.
It's not cleared up because I made this morning. So I just gave it to her for her Valentine's Day present. But she's actually getting a real Valentine's Day present from me, not just slime.
Well, it's so nice. It's got a lot of this. I'm gonna get it out of the bag here. It got a little stuck. That's okay.
Okay, so you can
this
see
is
it is clumping.
This is what it's supposed to be like at the end. It's supposed to be very stretchy. And
Yep.
those little
It
things.
cleared up a little during. See, it's working.
Can I feel it for just 1 second?
It's a little too sticky.
Thank you. And as you can see, it has cleared up. It's still a little blue.
Okay, guys. Just to say, I didn't know what to give her for Valentine's Day, so I'm just gonna give her this. I feel like it's it's a lot of slime. You may not tell. It's I got this bottle today. It was up to here. Now it's all the way down here. So she's getting a lot of slime to play with. Okay, we need to get the gallon size bag, Aubrey. This is not gonna fit in a tiny bag. Can you really get that?
Well, not right now because we're gonna do ASMR clips.
On this?
Yeah.
It's kind of dirty down here, Aubrey. I really don't think it is dirty.
You can clean it off.
Yeah, but during the video,
Yeah.
they're gonna get bored.
Well, if you show them. I'm just gonna clean this up for a second, you guys.
So how about we do ASMR in the bowl?
No, the bowl's messy. Okay, fine. We'll just do ASMR in the bowl. So here it is, guys, the finished product, and we're going to do a little focus for the ASMR clip, please.
Here. And
Please focus for the ASMR clip, guys.
why
It's
is it
not.
not focusing today? Our camera's very bad. Is it about to die or something? Oh,
There.
finally.
Okay, so he's gonna play with a little. So this is it. Doing an ASMR clip for you guys.
It's a really good slime.
Shh. Oh, sorry. Let's probably take this off so you guys can see the slime more whenever I poke it.
We should make a YouTube video on opening up the product.
Yeah, but it wouldn't connect.
Yeah, well, it won't connect if you're taking Spain or something.
No, it won't connect. I don't have that Wi-Fi thing.
Do you just want to try?
No, it won't connect.
Oh, guess what? That means she has a YouTube channel.
What is it called?
We'll do it after this, okay? This one needs a little hot water rubbed on it.
Yeah,
But it's
I
actually
think
really
they.
good.
I think they both do. Guys, let's go get a little hot water in there. Here, hold the camera. We're gonna go put some hot water on these. Come on, you guys are gonna come with us.
Okay, let me just. Sorry, big gorilla.
he left. Because he said he didn't want to be my friend anymore. No, he didn't. He said he didn't want to play. So just put some hot water. Oh, he's still here. No, he's not. It's the hot water. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, what? No, I'm just bored. That's why I came over. I am her friend. She was just joking. You should already knew that. Like, when the nurse would always say that.
Wait, let's just put it.
In third grade, she said that. Oh, wait. Guys, you can't see it.
Oh no. It's so bubbly water.
Like, it's the soap. Huh. It's squishy. Huh?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Guys,
Wait, where's Chase and Lane? Wow.
we can't go in there now since it's probably smelled really bad.
We need the blades. Oh, but you tried to open it. It's okay.
I was like, why isn't that opening? Jacob's like, I'm taking a poo.
Like, it's up. That's something that's so weird. Here.
Guys, I'm going back into the room. Wait. Make sure there's not like crystals in the sink.
You bought plastic cups? For what?
God, hey, why are you doing that to them?
Huh?
Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, but I'm not going into our side.
Hey guys, it's Hayden. I'm taking over her channel on YouTube. You know what the fun? I can't believe it. So, I really don't know what the story about. I would tell you the story, but here's a slime. It's good. Trust me, it's actually very stretchy because I'm doing it very aggressively. But if you guys want the slime, comment down below. And yeah, we're gonna give it to you. It's gonna be called Crystal. Oh, what's slime? We're gonna call this slime Crystal Clear. What should we call the slime?
Galaxy, remember?
No, like something else, like Crystal Clear
Oh
Ocean.
my gosh, my TV. It says DV player on it. Look, TV says DV player on it.
Here, let's move it right. Oh god, I can't move this anywhere. Just, we're gonna cut that TV out probably. That's the lighting so bad here.
Then go back over there. Then let's go back over here.
No, it's okay.
I feel like there's some kind of glue or something. Wait, I want to feel how good yours is.
Okay.
You do mine.
Wait.
You feel mine because you can probably fix this.
I probably can. Let me need mine real fast. Trust me.
Oh, here's another collectible. Guys, I collected these troll collectibles. This one, got this one, and I got this one. Huh? Oops, they all dropped. Wait, I want to feel yours. Yours is so much more better. Hayden, you need to fix that one. Are you going to fix it?
Yeah. Here. Like, show them the ASMR clip with mine.
Okay. Flip it over, guys. Oops. Sorry, it's not that pretty. Never mind. It is.
So we're going to give you the slimes when it clears up.
Yes, sir. But it's going to be kind of split in half because that's a big amount.
I'm not gonna give you all this.
Because I have to split in half for my friend too, because she wanted Galaxy, and I think this is Galaxy, right?
Let's call it crystal clear jelly, like crystal clear. This is scented. I don't. What do you think it's scented like?
Smells like cookies.
This smells like soap. How about we say that? It smells like when you walk into Bath and Body Works.
Yeah, that's what it smells like. Because it's made out of Tide. So. But guys,
We actually add the essential oils to this.
but it might
Sorry
not keep.
if I don't show you. Sometimes when you send it to somebody, the essential oils go away.
So the essential oils are probably going to go away. And it's probably going to smell Tide again. But if it doesn't, then lucky for you.
It's cookies and cream scented.
No, it's gingerbread.
It is?
Yeah, gingerbread.
Oh. Should we name it gingerbread slime? Crystal clear gingerbread.
Yeah, crystal clear gingerbread scented slime.
I actually have more gingerbread essential oils at my house. I actually have them. Sorry for whispering. We're just talking about what we should do in the next video.
And you guys can't hear. I was going to be like, oh, I want to watch it right now, but you can't because we haven't even made it yet. So
tomorrow we'll make it.
No, we might make it today.
We may make it today. It just depends when the chocolate comes. We ordered it and we went there too. We went there for that chocolate, but we really didn't want to do that one because we wanted a Valentine's Day chocolate, not.
Is it 17 minutes already? My scene can't be past 20 minutes. So we need it something.
Okay, hold up the camera and say bye guys, love you, happy Valentine's Day.
Bye guys,
Bye guys, love you. Happy Valentine's Day.
See you in the next one.